This has got to be the craziest thing I think I've ever seen. Trapping, hunting, in the woods, anything. We just drove up on these a little bit ago, but...
Cut the live one?
Yeah, cut the live one. Hold on.
Beams.
Let's kind of try to figure out where we need to cut them. And do it without getting easy, bud.
We cut that main beam right there. This side will come right loose.
Or this tine right here. Or this tine. Just get somewhere where they're not gonna gore you. All right, it's through. Come on, bud, get out of here. Come on, go. Come on, go. There we go. Awesome. Whew. Good job, dude.
Whew.